Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my car. It was a complete disaster. As you can already tell, there were food crumbs, socks, toys, shoes, just stuff thrown all over the car. So I'm going to be taking everything out, cleaning the car inside and outside, getting every nook and cranny that I possibly can, and I am taking y'all along with me. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and click the bell notification button. It's totally free and it will just tell you whenever I have new videos posted so you don't miss them, and then go ahead and click that thumbs up button if you enjoy this content. I would appreciate that so much. So obviously I don't deep clean my car nearly enough. I feel like I probably clean it every few weeks or so. I normally try to take my car through a car wash every other week, but my car has not been cleaned at all for over a month, and I will tell you a story of why I have waited so long to get this done. So the weekend before we left to go to Florida for spring break, I left our house to grab a bite to eat for lunch, and not even half a mile down the road from our house, a turkey dashed out in front of me, and I did not have hardly any time to slow down, and I ended up hitting it, unfortunately. I know, I hated that it happened. Well, when I get home later that day, I noticed there was a hole in my driver's side headlight, and because of that, I have not been able to take my car through any car washes or anything like that, and also my blinker system went completely out since my headlight was messed up. But thankfully, I finally have that fixed, and I filmed this before my headlight was fixed, so if you see a little piece of tape on my driver's side headlight, you have the backstory of why that is there. I had my husband help me by pressure washing the car first to get any loose dirt and grime off, and now I am giving it a good scrubbing. Speaking of deep cleaning, y'all let me know in the comments how often you clean your car.
Shooting star that you still come back to my heart. Can you see how we've come so far? Hope you still come back to my heart. Didn't mean to hurt you bad, only did those things so that I could make a little room for us. I wish on every shooting star that you still come back to my heart. Come back to my, come back to my, come back to my.
I can't believe it is already May, you guys, and school will be over for all three of my daughters next week. How crazy is that? I feel like this school year has just flown by. Do y'all have any plans for the summer? Are y'all planning a vacation to go anywhere with your family? We just went to Florida during spring break week, and that was our family vacation, but we may plan a trip to the beach or something like that. Y'all will have to let me know in the comments what you plan to do for the summer.
Wish on shine every shooting star, that you still come back to my heart. Can you see how we've come so far? Hope you still come back to my heart. Didn't mean to hurt you bad, only did those things so that I could make a little room for us. I wish on every shooting star that you still come back to my heart. Come back tonight, come back tonight, come back tonight. Come back tonight, come back tonight, come back tonight. On every shooting star, I can make a little for us. Come back tonight, come back tonight, come back tonight.
Cleaning the wheels is so satisfying to me. I have a 2020 Honda Accord Sport, and I've always been drawn to the sporty trim line of vehicles. I used to have a 2012 Ford Edge Sport, which had 22-inch rims. They were massive, y'all. I've always been particular about the kind of vehicles I've owned. My very first car back in high school was a red Ford Focus, and it was a stick shift, and I absolutely loved driving it. I thought it was so much fun. If you've ever driven a manual, then you know how it can be a struggle during traffic jams or parking on an incline. So you'll have to let me know if you've driven one of those before. But now I am starting to work on the inside of my car. I'm going to take everything out, give it a good vacuum, a good wipe down. I'm taking all of the car seats out. Yes, I do have 3, and I managed to fit all 3 of those in there. I had to order specific car seats for this vehicle, and I made it work with 3 daughters, so no problem or issues there. I'm going to take the covers off of the car seats and give those a good wash in the washing machine, and we are also going to pressure wash the car seats and also the floor mats.
Makes your head spin, pretty as a new star. Take it in, some kind of magic, dizzy as a new dawn to begin. Every road that we followed had to hold on just so we could let go. And the night goes on so we could know what the light feels like when it comes up. I got a fever and it's breaking. Oh, we found a way, found a way. Oh, true believer, yeah, we're waking up. We found a way, found a way. Oh, we found a way, found a way. Oh, we found a.
I wanted to take a moment and explain why I have so much sand and dirt accumulated in my car. Majority of the time my daughters are playing outside at daycare when I pick them up after I get off of work, and sand gets in their shoes and they like to take them off after I get them buckled in their car seats. So with that said, sand gets thrown everywhere in my back seat area, and that's why it does not take long for my car to look like a playground itself. With all the sand back here, I probably need to just start taking their shoes off myself after I get them buckled in, but if you have any suggestions when it comes to that, please let me know. I have 2 car seats by Diono for my 2 oldest daughters, and the car seat covers are very easy to come off. They have little snaps that you just unsnap and just remove the straps from the back, and there you go, it comes right off. So I have all 3 covers off of the car seats here, and I'm going to throw these in the wash.
Found a way, oh, we got it just right. It's better if you chill, don't even try. Aiming so high, sky. Every road that we followed had to hold on just so we could let go. And the night goes on so we could know what the light feels like when it comes up. I got a fever and it's breaking, oh. We found a way, oh. True believer, yeah, we're waking up. We found a way, oh. 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 We found a way, oh.
To vacuum out my car, I'm using a wet dry vacuum by DeWalt, and I believe I showed you guys a clip of it earlier before I started vacuuming. There was so much grossness and nastiness. I could not believe how much of this was in my car, but it's so nice to get this all cleaned up and cleaned. So y'all let me know, what kind of vacuum do y'all use to clean your car out with? Now that I am finished vacuuming, I'm going to wipe down the inside of my car with this interior protectant by Meguiar's.
These days, caught in a daydream, all mine, know you're my 18. This time, all that I know is I need you. long nights under the same sky. Past time falls by the wayside. Rewind, all that I know is I need you. You got that summer solstice kind of glow. Never wanna let you go. Shooting stars got nothing on you. My love, yeah, you got it. All your glitter and your gold. Never losing your halo. Shooting stars got nothing on you. My love, yeah, you got it. Your eyes pour like a full moon, high tide, I'm floating to you tonight. All that I know is I need you. Where you go is where I'll be. You know you captivate me. Echo, all that I know is I need you. You got that summer solstice kind of glow. Never wanna let you go. Shooting stars got nothing on ya. My love, yeah, you got it. All your glitter and your gold. Never losing your halo. Shooting stars got nothing on ya. My love, yeah, you got it.
Jet stream, see it in your eyes that you feel me. Never wanna come down to the ground. Setting sparks to fires when you're with me, and I realize what it all means when our hearts beat loud to the beat. There's a song in my head, wanna play it again. Soundtrack to the best days we ever had. You're the one on my heart, erasing all my scars. So I love you so bad. I am better than I've been whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice cuts through to me in every single crowd. And I know you love me till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down. How we got it so good, I don't know how. Tattooing your name on my heart now. Never wanna let go of this feeling. Soaking in your light right above me. It's an open sky full of our dreams. Never been so easy to believe. There's a song in my head, wanna play it again. Soundtrack to the best days we ever had. You're the one on my heart, erasing all my scars. So I love you so bad. I am better than I've been whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice cuts through to me in every single crowd. And I know you love me till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down. Till the sky falls down.
After I get through wiping down all of the surfaces, I will be wiping down all of my windows with some Rain-X spray, and then I will share all of the after shots of this extreme deep clean.
were playing like a song in my head, and I was saving all my luck for the weekend. We don't always get it right, but we wing it, and we fall right into place like a dream. And I was giving you my Fridays, midnights, but I was trying to deny that it felt right. Didn't wanna tell myself you were my type. Thought I liked it on my own and I was alright. They're waving lighters, and we're slow dancing in the dark, holding me tighter. That's what it looks like in my heart. All that I know is I'm not myself when we're apart. I let it echo. I'm giving up, I want your love. Not gonna fight it, fight it, 'cause it's gonna follow where I go. Not gonna hide it, hide it. So I yell into a microphone, shine a little light in, light in. I can tell it's supernatural if you can't deny it, deny it. Shout it into a megaphone.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this extreme car clean with me, and hopefully it gave you some motivation to get your car cleaned. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.
Oh, you captivate my mind like a light show. Oh, and I can't put it down like a novel. I'll keep giving you my Fridays.